Rockabye. What the? Stupid Dumbo. Oh, that's my wife's. Rockabye, baby. What am I doing? Let's just put this stupid car seat down. What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic, and thank you for tuning into this video. Don't wake up, Ellie. If you guys are wondering, yes, that is my newborn baby. I got my Kobe Protro 1 collection on my lap. What is the point of this video? Is this video a sneaker review? No. Have you guys heard about the stupid news a few days ago? Vanessa Bryant, Kobe Bryant Estate, and Nike didn't work out. They separated. We're probably never gonna see Nike Kobe products ever again. Now, I wanna just get my thoughts out. Resellers, I know you guys are going to start pumping up the prices, ripping other people off. You do what you do, I'm gonna hate you. It is what it is. I guess that's what people like to say now. Hey, morning. Uh-oh. All right, time to breastfeed. Time to feed the baby. I love these shoes. I had the OGs. I love Kobe Bryant 2s. Am I gonna resell these? No. Am I gonna wear them? Yes. However, if for some reason the Protros, they start selling for 5 figures, I may reconsider and just list them for sale because we might need the money. She's awake. Okay, guys, that's all I gotta say. Leave your comments down below. What do you think about the news, Nike and Kobe Bryant's estate and all that stuff just not working out? Do you think they're gonna go with another brand? I really hope not Adidas again. Maybe they're just gonna do their own thing, right? That's what Kobe wanted a couple years ago, is to create their own brand, their own mama brand. I respect Vanessa. I respect everyone's decision. Rest in peace, the real Kobe Bryant and Gigi. Oh, she fell asleep. You guys want to look? This is not fake. I'm not putting a fake baby and making stupid sounds. Trying to act. Hey. By the way, she has a YouTube channel. Go check it out. The link is in the description box below. I am not promoting her in this video. Put this back. I think mom is going to be a little pissy when she comes back. She's gonna be like, where's my baby? I'm using her in my videos. Okay, I'm gonna run. Let's just, oh my God, daddy life is so easy. I'm not even tired. She wakes up like every 2 hours. I have tons of sleep. Ellie, what do you think about these shoes? Do you think Vanessa Bryant made the right decision to not go ahead with Nike because they didn't come into terms? You don't care? You don't know? Do you like these shoes though? Okay. I think they're cool. I wish you grew up and wear men's size 12 so that we can share shoes together. No, are you yawning or crying?